come. Oh, look at that. Ooh, they look so good.
Look, she'd marry me all over again just for that. Told y'all it was good.
So that's at 375. Let's get it preheated before we get started. All right, grab out some measuring cups, measuring spoons. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go with the Bob's Red Mill all-purpose organic flour. We'll save the Neapolitan flour for later. Pre-kit Christmas dinner practice. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and I mean, when we would make these at the house, they would turn out, they were so good. It's kind of trial and error with this convection oven. So we need 3 cups of flour. And I'm using these collapsible measuring cups, so might not be exact. All right, so we do need our egg has to be warm, room temperature. Ooh, there we go, that sounds good. Sugar, water, warm milk, okay. We'll just set the milk. 2 tablespoons of rapid rise yeast. All right, so we do need sugar. 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, which we don't use a lot of sugar anymore. So I have to go on a hunt to find it. You know, if my arms were just a little bit longer, I might be able to reach all the way to the back of this cat. 1/3 cup granulated sugar. How's that for a teaspoon? Alright, so that's preheated. Yeast in the milk, see if we can get it activating. Our egg going here. To save a little time, instead of melting the butter, I'm going to shred it into So we've got the flour, the yeast, sugar, salt, milk, butter, and eggs. So I got the yeast over here. Let's go ahead and pour that in. All right, so let's move this baby over here. Put a towel over top of it. And we're going to let that sit for 30 minutes. So we shall be back.
Is this counter open for coffee?
I could definitely do for some coffee, for sure.
Say, how can you cook without coffee in your hand?
Without a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that in the refrigerator? be Christmas without Reese's mini cups.
Let's not be crazy. We'll put it right here behind you.
All right.
Not right behind you, but you know. But see what I'm saying? That feels better when you pour it, don't it?
It does, yeah.
The whole thing fits in your hand better. And
The other one I had to pour over the sink, like
Yeah.
I just did there, because I was afraid I was going to spill it everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. One in the middle. Some of these will be little. All right, and they shall go. Now, I'm going to stop this. All right, I got in there for 12 minutes. All right, here they come. Oh, look at that. Ooh, they look so good. Yeah. Watch your head. Let me show this. What do you think?
All right.
Yeah. Super hot.
What do the dogs do when we're cooking on a lazy day? Right there. There's one. There's the other one. Digging out the window. Alright guys, we're making some potato soup. Loaded potato soup. And the reason we're doing that is because it is an absolute miserable day today. Rainy, drizzly. It ain't too cold, about 55, 60 degrees, but it's just rainy and kind of nasty out. So I chopped us up some potatoes. I'm gonna wipe my mess up from my wife wrings my neck. I just put in some chicken broth. Got the stove. Well, I thought I had stove on. Works best if we turn it on. Turn the stove on. I'm gonna boil these potatoes in that chicken broth. And once the potatoes are fork tender, we'll come back and dress them up a little bit more, using a little bit of complete seasoning, garlic and all that stuff, because you want them to taste good, don't you? So I'm gonna boil those, bring them to the fork tender, and then come back and do some more stuff to it. Add a few carrots. Add a few green peas. She's boiling now. Okay, my potatoes are done, fork tender. And one of the things, you know, little secret to when you're making potato soup, you want it a little bit thick. And one of the surefire ways to do it is get your potato smasher and give a few of them beat a few of them up in there. That's going to make it a little bit thicker for you. All right, guys. One of the last things I do is drop a little flavor bomb in this pot. And what's that? A little sour cream. Just a little bit will set it apart from some of these posers. Now, it's in there. Next thing, of course, you think I forgot, but I hadn't. Very last thing we do is add a little cream to it. Some people say half and half. I'm going to be honest, I go with the whole half. I go with heavy cream. We like it thick. We like it creamy. And I'm going to tell you what, man. If any of you fellas are out there and y'all single, y'all make this for your sweetheart and you won't be single for long. Because I'm going to tell you, without this soup right here, I don't think Terry would have ever married me. I conned her. I flim-flammed her with potato soup. My taste tester giving it a whirl, see what she thinks. Look, she'd marry me all over again just for that. Told y'all it was good.